Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a short story of the hunter and the pigeons. Let's start writing. One day, a hunter sets a net to catch birds. He placed grains and rice over the net. After some time, a flock of pigeons comes by and start eating grains. They got caught in the net. After some time, they started losing hope. Then their leader asks them to fly together up in the sky. They did as they were told and carried the net away. The hunter runs after them, but they flew away to their friends mouse hole. The mouse cuts the net and freed the pigeons. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till yet.